August isn't just the time of the year when kids head back to school, it's also immunization month. And while parents are going through that checklist, getting ready to send their kids back to class, they may also want to check up on their child's immunization records, making sure those are up to date. Kids touch everything, and that means they spread germs everywhere. That is why it is so important that parents ensure their child is up to date on immunizations before heading back to school.
Those are close quarter environments, and those kids are standing in line, they're with each other all the time.
There are a long list of requirements for shots and immunizations for children, and they all come at various ages. Even if a child has already received an immunization shot once, it is likely they need a follow-up.
Some immunizations require multiple shots to actually develop the immune response that would then prevent the infection from happening.
The task of keeping up with a child's shot records can be daunting. That is why public health officials suggest having one medical home or doctor that knows the patient well, or utilizing new sources.
The state of Texas has kicked off a program called MTRAC, and MTRAC does track all those vaccinations that a child has received. That way a school can pull that up and say, yes, you've had all yours. Oops, excuse me, you missed one here. You need to have that one more.
And even though some of the diseases immunizations cover may seem out of date or non-threatening, keeping up with those shots keeps that disease from being an issue.
That parent may have not seen measles or mumps as they were growing up, didn't even know anybody that had them. But those diseases are only a plane ride away.
When we had a shift recently to people not immunizing their children, we've had a resurgence of things like pertussis, measles. We've seen those diseases that we hadn't seen as much in years.
Public health officials say you should talk to your doctor about when you or your child may need updates on those vaccinations. Chelsea Goss, Pronews 7.